بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم آمين. وبعد. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tajweed 101 course. Simple step-by-step Tajweed course that enables you inshallah to understand the Tajweed properly. My name is Maghfira and you are watching Maghferaeducation, the place to learn and know and understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today inshallah we're going to continue the articulation point of the letters, and we will start a new organ or a new articulation point, which is the tongue. Let's start it now. Let's remember what we have started at the beginning of this course about the articulation point. We agreed that we have main articulation points that are the nasal passage, the roof of the mouth, al-jawf, the throat, the tongue, teeth, and two lips. We already finished al-jawf, and we agreed that the two letters that, or the three letters that articulated from this jawf, which is al-mudud, the three mad letters, and then we move to the throat letters, which are hamzun, ha'un, aynun, ha'un, ghaynun, kha. Let's move now to the biggest organ on the Arabic letters, which are the tongue, which is producing 17 letters are produced only from the tongue. So let's continue. The tongue, as you see here, the tongue is containing lots of parts or origins we have to know before we start knowing about the tongue articulation point. Number one, the root of the tongue. And the root of the tongue, as you know that, it produces letter ghayn and kha. So this is the root of the tongue, ghayn and kha. And then we have three main parts: the deepest part of the tongue, the middle part of the tongue, and the tip part of the tongue, or the beginning of the tongue. The start part of the tongue or the beginning of the tongue. Okay, so the deepest part of the tongue, the middle part of the tongue, and the tip of the tongue. And we have the head of the tongue, the head or the tip, the head tip of the tongue. If we need to talk about the edges of the tongue, because these are different than the tongue itself and articulating a different letters, this is the tip. This is what I mean with the tips or the edges of the tongue. This is the edges, or these are the edges. We have three different types of edges. We have the deepest edge, and then the middle edge, and we have the end or the last edge. The end or the tip edge, which is the tiny place of the end of the tongue. These all together are called the edges of the tongue. Okay, and as you know that, I just mentioned the deepest part of, or the root of the tongue produces ghayn and kha, ghayn and kha. So try to imagine where the letter is produced, or where the letter is ghayn and kha are produced, and the deepest part of the tongue is the part after it, which is produces Qaf and Kaf. Qaf and Kaf. So let's know about Qaf. Qaf, as you see here, it is about the deepest part of the tongue with the palate or with the upper roof of the mouth. And if you try to feel what is in the roof of the mouth, you will find that there is a hard part and a fleshy part. And letter Qaf is the roof of the mouth, the deepest part of the tongue with the fleshy palate. Aqa, aqa, qa, qa, aqa, aqa, qa, 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 aqa, qa, aqa, like this. So this is articulation point of Qaf. While Kaf, it is the deepest part of the tongue with the hard and soft palate. As I just tell you that when you try to feel with your tongue what is the roof of the mouth, you will find that we have two parts, bony part, then at the end of this bony part there is a fleshy part. And a kaf, ka is the combination between both fleshy part and hard part of the roof of the mouth. We are touching it with the deepest part of the tongue. So ka, qa, ka, qa. So qa is produced from the fleshy part here, and ka is the deepest part of the tongue with the fleshy and bony palate. Qa, ka, qa, ka, qa, qi, qu, aqa, ka, ki, ku, ak, like this. Let's try to see the comparison between the two letters. Okay, this is kaf, this is qaf. So qaf, as you see here, is back part more than kaf. Kaf is a little bit after qaf towards the mouth, and qaf is closer to the throat. Aqa, ak, qa, qi, qu, aqa, ka, ki, ku, ak. And ka is the same as a K letter in English, while qa, there is no similar to qaf. In English, I mean in English sound, there is no qaf sound, but it is so easy, inshallah, because it uses a part that we already use in English language. Okay, so qa, qi, qu, ka, ki, ku. Okay, so let's start to read these letters in a different harakat, in a fatha, in a kasra, in a dhamma, and in the sukoon, The same for kaf, ki, ku, and sukoon. So, qa, qa, qalu, qalu, qa, qa, qalu. In the kasra, the qaf kasra is a little bit less in the tafkhim than the fatha one. So it will be qi, 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 qisi, qisisina, qisisina, qi, qi, qisisina. And the third one, qu, qu, qulu, qulu, qulu. And the fourth one, sukoon, it will be yaqa, yaqtarif, yaqa, yaqa, yaqtarif, yaqa, yaqa, qaf, qalqala, and sukoon. The second one, which is a kaf word or a kaf letter, the first one, kaf fatha, kanu, not ka, ka, it is ka, kanu, kanu. Next one is ki, kitab, kitab, ki, kitab, ku, kunu, kunu. The third one is yaktub, yaktub. The kaf sukoon here we have to produce lots of air because of the characteristics of kaf in this case. So it will be yaktub, 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 like this. Okay, so let's stop here today. Inshallah, the next lesson will continue. Try yourself on reading letter kaf, and if you have any question, I am ready to receive it. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. Catch you on the next lesson, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.